All right, so a bit of an update for you. We left Stanage Bay a couple of days ago. I just dropped the tyres right down and we went out pretty slowly. So the car's okay. Rockhampton Isuzu confirmed that there are no authorised repairers in Rockhampton. So we looked at the map and we decided we'll just go down towards Brisbane. Way bigger, way more smash repairers, way more Isuzu dealers, and Isuzu head office is there. So that's what we're doing. We stayed in Rockhampton last night and we're making our way down to Maryborough, and then very fortunately, we've got some family that live in the Sunshine Coast. So we'll camp up there, get an update from Isuzu and see what's going on. But I imagine that we're going to be staying put for a very long time. Anyway, what do you reckon?
And I reckon we've got no choice, it's life.
Yeah, that's right. Not ideal. I was looking last night at new cars and all sorts of stuff. Just doesn't make sense. So just sit and get it fixed, I think, and see how we go. Good morning. So it's been 2 weeks since we've picked this GoPro up and done any footage. Made it down to the Sunshine Coast. We are staying with some family that are well and truly looking after us in a beautiful big house down there. And the car has been to Isuzu. The claim's gone through to head office, so we're just waiting for them to approve it and get it done. They want 2 weeks to do the repairs, which is pretty good. So 2 weeks waiting so far. Hopefully, it'll be done in 8 weeks or something. I'm doing a bit of work for family in a workshop there, which is cool. And we are at Australia Zoo today. So Oliver's birthday tomorrow. He wanted to come to the zoo. We do it on a Saturday rather than on a Friday rather than the weekend when it'll be busy. And yeah, we're going to have some fun. You guys excited? Yeah, where are we going?
Lock the car.
Yeah, I will. Where are we going?
Australia Zoo.
And what are you looking forward to seeing?
The poison dart frog.
And what's happening tomorrow?
Ollie's birthday.
Ollie's birthday. How old are you turning?
7.
4?
7.
7? No way. 7 years old. Alright, let's go.
He's a rock climb. Oh, I don't want his tail.
Look how big he is.
I don't think he would be. Oh!
It's the most venomous snake. If he got out and bit you, you're dead.
What is it, Ollie?
Wombats.
Hey? One wombat, another wombat. Look at him, are they pretty? Oh, he's scratching, look at him.
Oh, they even know that we're watching them.
I don't know. Maybe if you look at them.
Hello. Hello, mate. You are a big, beautiful thing. Well, maybe it's a girl.
My name is Andrew, and I've also joined out here by Christy as well. We are part of our Asia department here, looking after our amazing Sumatran tigers. You might see how he goes. He's very keen on that ball. Now, that ball is one of his favourite toys that he doesn't get often, but hopefully we do get him to showcase some of his natural behaviours that he does possess. There we go. Okay, he's never done that before, but yeah, big round of applause for that.
There's one big one there.
Will you stay on the path, bud?
One big one up here, and then one baby one on the wall there.
Yeah.
He's walking up to us.
Yeah, if he's walking up to you, that's fine. You just don't go near him.
A little fight, I reckon. See, look at him.
Probably fighting over. Then you I lifted and fell up. Okay, don't you need to see? Why did the man walk to?
Who's doing that?
Why did the man walk straight in there? So one came out of waterfall and one came out of the tap. Over.
Playing like you and Peter play.
You're about to be joined by Douglas, our chaperone. Well done. Let's give it up for him. Came down for a drink or go for a fish. You wouldn't see him until that. He's going to come out a bit slower today. Come on, big fella. Come on, Murray. You can have it. Nice work. Here on the creek. And if I go nervous, come on, mate. Oh, bit of a swish there at the tail. You can see how much distance he covers. Have it. Nice work.
He's looking at Jimmy, and he wants to take a bit out of him. And as he leans over, he winds up the tail and he launches himself vertically up. Beautiful work, good job.
Come on, mate. Oh, there we go. Nice little kick in the tail there. Now he's out on the hard, solid ground. That's flat out for the big fella. You can have that. Nice work, mate.
Look at his face. Look at Daddy. Ollie and Coops.
Good morning. Welcome to a bit of an update. So we got a new car behind us. We've sold the Dmax and upgraded to a Hilux. No, we did not. This is a hire car that we have until our Dmax is fixed. So it's down at Drive Accident Solutions near Eagle Farm, getting repaired. So yeah, 2 weeks hopefully. They'll fix the aircon as well, and then we'll have it back. So pretty good of Isuzu to give us a hire vehicle. We would have been in trouble with that one. So yeah. So it is a Saturday. We are off on a bit of an adventure today. We've been pretty lazy around the Sunshine Coast, if I'm honest. We have not done very much at all. So we're living in a big, beautiful house right on the river with an amazing family who have accommodated us very, very kindly. And we've kind of just been relaxing a bit. I've been working 3 days a week, a little workshop, having a bit of fun, and yeah, Sarah's been at home doing the schoolwork and so forth. So been riding around, you know, enjoying ourselves. It is an amazing area. The Sunshine Coast is absolutely fantastic, and could have been a lot worse. We could have been in a caravan park, you know, for 2 months or whatever. That wouldn't have been much fun. So pretty happy. Anyway, we're going to check these falls out, Boodram Falls. So they're 10 minutes away from where we're staying. See what we can find. Look how pretty this is. Come here. Not bad.
Why are we going across the creek and then going into...
So while we're walking, I'll let you in on some musings in my mind. The Isuzu Dmax, right? We paid $38,000 for that back in 2018 it was, as an ex-demo. And I worked out the other night, that by the time this repair's done, Isuzu will have paid about 20 odd grand, I reckon, in warranty claims / higher costs and whatnot. So the car that we've got is $200 a day. They try and give you like for like this right to drive hire company, which is fantastic, except that you're not allowed to take it off road, so they may as well have just given us a hatchback. But anyway, 200 bucks a day for, you know, 2.5 weeks. So there's 3 grand basically. New turbo when we first got the Dmax, that'd be 4 or 5 grand probably, including labour. They did a transfer case seal, a pinion seal, they did the body mounts. What else? The evap on the aircon, that was another 2 grand. And then this repair that they're doing, the inner guard replacement, 3 panels, I was told $10,000 to $13,000. So let's call it, you know, $8,000 to 13 maybe, depending on what price they got, I don't actually know, plus the hire car, and yeah, you're up at 20 grand on a $38,000 car. Gee, so Isuzu probably haven't made any money at all on us. But anyway, hopefully it'll be a reliable vehicle once we get it back, and it should be fun to get back on the road. We've only got about 11 weeks to be in Sydney.
11 weeks, 5 days, and...
Oh yeah, hang on, you can say.
What? 11 weeks and 5 days till we fly to Perth from Sydney, and today is our 1 year anniversary of being on the road.
There you go, 365 days.
They're doing work.
Except we've sort of been stopped for the last... How long have we been stopped here for? 5 weeks?
Yeah, mate, 4 or 5.
4 or 5 weeks.
Maybe
So they're
5.
doing it pretty quickly. I was expecting to be stopped for
12-ish.
at least 12 weeks, but looks like we should be out of here, hopefully, within sort of 7-8 weeks. That'll be wicked.
No.
Where are we going, teacher?
We gotta walk.
I don't want to walk.
Yeah.
Boring.
Ollie, careful, mate. There must be a photography class or something going on. Pretty beautiful. It's really close to town. And a nice big bridge. Not bad, worth doing. Only about a 15-minute walk or something from the long end, and the short end's only 300 metres. Very cool. Is it yum, Coots?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Good morning. So we're off on a day of adventure today. We've left our amazing house in Bloodlie, and we're at Mapleton Falls, and we're going to head out to Kenilworth and Conondale. I don't know, all these unfamiliar names. Man, check this out, much better than looking at me.
Is it?
What a killer view. A little bit of water flowing, not too much.